σύλλογο θα μιλήσουν οι κυρίες. Εγώ εκείνο που έχω να καταθέσω είναι ότι τις έχω δει, τα πρόντιζαν, τα είχα φέρει μικρά, τα έβλεπα. Πιθανόν να ήταν και εμβολιασμένα, δεν ξέρω, θα σας πω οι ίδιες. Τις είχα δει επανειλημμένα ότι ερχόταν, τα τάιζαν, τα πρόντιζαν, νερό, φαγητό κλπ. Αυτό που έχω δει μπορώ να το καταθέσω. Αλλά εκείνο που θα πρέπει τελικά να πω είναι ότι θα πρέπει να επιλέξουμε με τι θα πάμε, με την βαρβαρότητα ή με τον πολιτισμό. Είμαστε με τον πολιτισμό, δεν γίνεται άλλο αυτό το πράγμα.
Από Μανώλη. Και ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ που ήρθατε.
All around the world, the world is watching. America has set up funds for any information, a reward for any information leading to prosecution on these poisons. The world is very annoyed about what's happening. America, England, Holland, Germany, France, everybody's commenting. Okay, what's happening here now? We've lost 17 dogs in the last 36 hours. Northern Council, found the rest. We've got 6 more missing at least. And we've not found the bodies. What's happened? They look like poison. They died of poison.
Do you want to tell me something for the August, for the dogs who are home?
When can I follow up? I moved here a year and a half ago with all of my animals. You know, I do practice medicine here as well. I go out home and I drink my horses with me. I got involved with taking animal inspection by a doctor to do for a dog. And so with a number of jobs that they were doing. And honestly, when I moved here, I love birds and I love trees. That's why I moved here and I relocated. But I am appalled to see how the animals are treated here. And coming from America, we have laws, we have regulations. People go to prison for the things that we have just witnessed in the last 36 hours. People are held accountable. The government agencies are held accountable. There seems to be no accountability. No one cares. If you want to euthanize your dogs, if you want to get rid of your dog population, first of all, you must neuter and spay. If you want to kill the dog, then do it humanely. To have them suffer and to have them for several hours suffer and foaming at the mouth and unable to breathe is just unconscionable in a modern society. This is a country that is the world civilization. We should be so proud of the way it treats people, the culture, everything. Gandhi said that a civilization can be measured by how we treat our people. And I am appalled. I fear for the safety of my own animals and this story has to be told. And we just need a place to feel the place where it's safe, that the perimeter that's enclosed so that we can't throw meat in, because even if you have fencing, like some of the area here, fencing, they throw it in the window and they throw it over